I'm doing a what's inside video on a firework. It is the ones that go in a tube, because I'm doing it on this because if you see right here, the fuse has gone out, so it's kind of not good. And I wanted to make a video because I never knew what's inside them, so here we go. Alright. So I guess I think we should cut into the top. I don't know, let's just go from the bottom. Alright, so I got a hole right here. So there's a lot of stuff in here. As you can see, all this little wet powder here. Okay, so I guess we do need to cut into the top. It's kind of hard to cut into. What if we just cut this bottom one here? Right here, got a little bit into it, not much. Oh, let's just back up the fuse. If you can see right here inside of it, it's like a little fuse in there. There's papers in the way. Alright, there we go. So if you can see inside of there, there's like a little fuse right there, and there's a back part right there, which I'm trying to get into, but I don't know, because should I do it right here, or let's just cut a little bit into the top. It's rough. Actually, let's just see. If you can see right here, this is kind of like so kind of like a black powder. So chunks of it. Alright, so let's move this out the way. I'll show you in a minute. We need to get to the top of this. Alright. Okay, so we got this part off. Didn't know that it was that easy. So it's basically the bottom. This is the bottom part of this right here, and this is the ball part. So if you see right here, this is basically what was in here. So all of this stuff was just sitting right there inside of there, and I guess that's what like makes it launch. So let's get into the ball. So kind of into it, but maybe I should get a different knife. So I got these. It's not cutting through, so it's like alright, so far we've made a little hole right here, and I'm trying to pull it up. Just, what if I did that? It's like impossible to get to the middle class. I just pulled all this off. It's like 3 layers. I just pulled all that off. I think I got it. Okay. So I'm pretty sure I got it now. Yes, I actually got to the middle. So you hear this? Should I see what that is? It's like, alright, let's just separate these. Alright, so this one. Oh, so here goes what makes the little like the, you know, like the flashes when the colors, like the color balls. Apparently that's what makes them. Firework stars, I guess that's what you call them. Okay, here goes another one. Alright, maybe we should just do it over here. There goes another one. I'm gonna put all the firework stars over here. Okay. Just got a lot of from that. Like here goes another one. There's a lot of fireworks stars right there. Basically just trying to clean all the firework stars out of the shell, so I could actually just like dig into there. Like, let's just try it right now. Okay, I can see a lot more now. Oh, yep. A whole bunch just came out. Look. This was just from like a few taps. These are all the fireworks stars. Right here, the little balls right there. There's actually still some more. That was the last one. Okay, so that means we could just cut through now. Trying to put out the fireworks stars over here. Alright, so now we can actually just slice through right here. Okay. Okay, so it looks like you would have thought it looked kinda. See, you could tell fireworks stars were just all in there, powder. The bottom, this was like this. The bottom was right here. And I guess here goes a little bit of the fuse. Right there, a little bit of the fuse. And that was what's inside, I guess, those ball canisters. And I might do another what's inside on the next firework video. Bye.